Hey, sir, I'm here to pick up Holly for our date. You're taking her out dressed like that? Well, yeah, 'cause we're going hunting. Hunting for what? Deer? What do you know about deer hunting? Well, I've got some pretty nice bucks on the wall. Oh yeah? What's your biggest? 190s. You shot a 190-inch deer? Well, two, actually. Son, high fence doesn't count. No, they were all free range. You shot two 190-inch free-range deer around here? Yes, sir, 'cause I don't party at all. All I do is hunt. Well, what about fishing? Absolutely. I just caught a 10-pounder the other day. 10-pounder?